ready?
Yeah.
That would have worked really well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, the chair survived.
There's no center left to it, I'll guarantee it. There's no center left to that chair.
Oh, what the hell, the chair survived?
I bet you the center of the ass part didn't.
There's a piece of the chair here. It did. The chair survived surprisingly well, though. I wouldn't want to have been. The framework survived.
Framework? I was talking about the center of the ass. It's over there. Over there. The center of the ass is out here.
Yeah, I know.
Nice little piece too.
All right. Our second chair victim.
That looks pretty cool. Look at the weight that you
I know.